Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today's video is a collaboration with RPGSHOW. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this gorgeous styles right here, please continue watching. Okay guys, so my hair is washed and moisturized. I'm just going to be using my Eco Styling Gel and my Diana brush just to put this hair up into a nice sleek updo. So I'm just going to be using 2 scrunchies for this look, and I'm just going to add enough gel so this 4C hair can sleek all the way down, okay? I was so excited when RPGSHOW reached out to me. They were like, girl, you want to try these drawstring ponytails? And I was like, sure. I've had units from them in the past and I love their hair. You know, their hair is really nice and full and everything. Like, it's really durable. Like, I've had their wigs for years, okay? Yeah, so I'm just gonna be, adding enough gel until my hair is nice and sleek all the way down, okay? All right, now guys, that my hair is nice and sleek, I'm just going to lay my edges down because we're about to be looking cute out in the streets. I'm going to be taking my strip, just to lay those edges down and just to lay everything down. And I'm going to use my Durag as well just to make sure everything is nice and laid. All right, and then I'll be back. Okay guys, so I love the packaging. First of all, the packaging is really good. I like that they put this disinfected. That means we should know, with this Rona out here, we should know that everything is nice and disinfected. So I'm just going to take the hairpiece out from the bag that it came with, and it also was in a hair net right there. Has a drawstring and 2 combs inside, and I love this color. Oh my gosh. Girl, I'm just gonna secure it on my head, and then I just like to go around with the drawstring. That way it's nice and secure. Actually, the wavy is 20 inches long. And I'm just going to take some hair in the back, from the back, and just go around with it just to make it a little realistic, like it's my own hair. Yes. Oh my gosh, I love this color, guys. What? I am in love with this drawstring wavy hair, guys. Oh my gosh. This is really nice. It feels so good. This is Indian, 100% Indian hair. So you guys should know. I'm just using like my little spray right there. That's my Garnier spray, just to make it shine a little bit, just to make my hair shine. And I love it because it is nice and soft, and I can wet it. I think it's gonna come out like really wavy, but I just wanted to show you right from the pack, like how it came straight from the pack. I didn't do anything to it, and it is really nice like that. You can straighten it, you can curl it, you can do whatever, because this is 100% human hair, guys. And I am so in love with this, guys. Oh my gosh, you guys have no idea. And this is, this is an investment. You need something, you need some kind of, nice hair, where you can wear it on your date night or whatever, something that you can keep for years. So I'm just showing you another way that I can rock this hair as well. You can put it in high bun, messy bun. And I'm just using my bobby pins, to secure, just to make sure it's not going anywhere. I'm just going to crisscross my hair in the front like that, and that way, you know, it's a little shorter, but it looks really nice. So you can rock it this way as well. I mean, you can rock it down, you can rock it up. That's the second one. You know what? The packaging is like what's okay. The second one is the Kinky. I love this one because it looks just like my hair. Guys, you can't go wrong with this. Same construction, you know, drawstring and 2 combs inside. I love this one as well. And it is 16 inches. It is nice. I'm going to do the same trick, you know, just pulling it and then going round with it with the drawstring right there. And just to make sure it's nice and secure. And then I'm just gonna pull the hair from the back as well, and you know, just to cover the front, just to make it more realistic, like it's my hair, okay, like it's growing out of my scalp, okay, or whatever. This is really cute. I love this hair as well. What? Look at that, guys. It just looks like my hair has grown overnight. So yeah, I did not straighten it, but you know, this is exactly how it came out of the pack. So I'm really excited about this hair pieces, guys. You guys need to check them out. They're having a sale right now, so I'll put everything in the description below. Make sure you check this out, guys. And oh my gosh, this is such an investment. Like, trust me, I'm going to be rocking these drawstring ponytails for a long time. And that is about it. So I'll put everything in the description below. I hope you guys like them. Let me know which one you're going to be rocking, and let me know which one is your favorite. If you guys are feeling both looks, let me know as well. All right, thank you for watching. Bye. Mwah.